Their $700 million economic incentive package is now lodged just a week after Governor Stitt proposed the legislation. Capitol reporter Augusta McDonald shows us how the legislation could spawn thousands of Oklahoma jobs.
Job creation is a big driver behind this legislation. I spoke with the House author of this measure about the jobs this incentive package could bring to the state. The company awarded the deal would have to create thousands of jobs to receive millions in rebates.
The company that's looking to come here, they wouldn't be looking at the state of Oklahoma if they didn't feel confident that we had the workforce to meet the demands that they're looking for. But I think it's a great opportunity as well for the workforce that we have here in the state of Oklahoma to get the opportunity to upskill.
Although the governor has not yet announced which companies are being considered, lawmakers tell us Panasonic is considering Oklahoma for future manufacturing sites. Canoe, which has already announced plans for a facility outside Tulsa, would also benefit from the bill. Employment benchmarks in the LEAD Act include hiring at least 500 people by year 1, 1,000 people by year 2, 2,500 by year 3, and 4,000 people in years 4 and 5.
So if they don't meet the demand for and the requirements in the legislation, then they don't receive the incentive. And so in that situation, the funds will be set aside in an account that the state still has possession of that we will then be able to use for other priorities.
Representative Hilbert also carried legislation to increase higher ed funding for certain careers.
Specifically for those workforce critical occupations such as engineering, IT-related jobs, nursing especially, and education. If we want to meet the workforce of the future, we're going to have to invest in those workforce critical areas.
We'll be watching to see which state lands the future facility and how that will impact Oklahoma. I'm Augusta McDonald for Oklahoma Zone News 9.